the world is more complicated and difficult than for 20 or 30 or 50 years. We as citizens, we have to learn how to deal with this complexity and uncertainties. Models can help us, simulations can help us.
I actually conduct statistical modeling in order to understand what are people's opinions and what are the factors affecting their opinions. People do not understand that there is a lot of methodology behind it.
I'm working in the energy sector, looking at the problems of climate and energy, and we rely quite heavily for our information on the results of computer modeling to give us confidence in our conclusions.
I think it's one of the most important things that people actually understand what goes beyond the modeling and what are the reasons and for the choices that scientists often make.
We really need these models to be transparent because for many years we have been using some models with ideological blinkers. From these models, policymakers have taken decisions that are affecting the life and opportunities to many people.
Every lobby group has what I would call a tame scientist who will produce modelling results. And so the challenge is to be sure that what is being used for the policy making is not subject to too much lobby group pressure. It's got to be something in which we've all got confidence.
Citizens need to trust the policy processes. They need to be able to scrutinize the processes, and they need to know that their rights are protected. COVID, for example, had a huge impact on freedom of movement. If these measures were not proportionate, they could lead to huge breaches of rights. They could impact the citizen engagement in the democratic processes.
I was very happy to be invited to take part in this workshop because the composition of the group of participants was very diverse, and we got many different perspectives. This guide, I think it is very useful. It is absolutely necessary to have this kind of tools available to everybody.
It's very valuable because that will also help people that have not been using models in their previous life or in their professional life, and they are now taking decisions that really are important for everybody, for the different member states.
These guidelines, they are quite simple yet powerful in showing people what is really important when judging data and models per se. So the source of the data, how the data were made, and also what has been done with them, and also the importance of scrutiny and accountability.
It's of immense value. Teachers can use it as a conversation opener for science courses. Citizens can have a go-to guide in case they want to scrutinize their government and their choices. Even scientists, I think, can use it just to check if they have explained everything correctly in their paper, so that there is no misunderstanding.
These guidelines are going to be this key to the door to discuss with the modelling community, and I'm delighted that I've got that extra access tool.